Hello everyone, my name is GMK with Tech Media GH, and then in this particular tutorial we want to take you through how you can link up your Ghana card with your national health insurance when you are in Ghana. How you can link your Ghana card with your national health insurance. In this particular tutorial, that is what you are going to do right now. So just sit, relax, and then watch it to the end. So first of all, you are going to use this particular shortcode. Let me start off. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is the only way you can support us. Share and then also comment and on our tutorial videos as well. Key in or enter the shortcode *929# and then you dial it. So we have quite a number of options that have popped up. So welcome to National Health Insurance Scheme. So 1, you check policy validity, and then 2, renew membership, 3, new registration, and then 4, link Ghana card. You want to link Ghana card, which is option 4. So you click on 4. So please enter your Ghana card personal ID number without hyphen. So let's see. Quickly, you will take it, enter it, GHA, and then 00221. Four 8283. Please enter your NHIS membership number. So I have to take the health insurance as well, and then I'll enter the membership number. 5165 4233. Hi God, you have successfully linked your Ghana card to your national health insurance card. Thank you. So it's as simple as that. Just watch this particular tutorial and then you can equally do the same. And then also we'll also be taking you through how to renew your NHIS, the national health insurance. Hi guys, in this particular tutorial I want to take you through how to renew your national health insurance when you're in Ghana by using this particular short code on your phone. Just sit, relax, and watch this particular tutorial videos to the end, and then you can also get it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Media GH, and then also share with colleagues as well, friends, and people whom you think it can be beneficial to. So we go straight to the point. Use this particular shortcode *929#. Get it down on the phone, dial it. I want to do to welcome to National Health Insurance Scheme. So check policy validity, and then 2, renew membership. So I'll go for option 2. Select option 2 and then you send. So I have, please select Ghana type. Please select card type. Select card type. I'll go in for 1. Please enter your national health insurance scheme membership number. So I have with me here. 5165 4233. So I'm supposed to re-enter the number or the figures again. 51654 233. Status inactive. So I continue to pay, which is option 1. So make sure that you have enough wallet balance to proceed with the transaction of 28 cedis. So I will proceed with it. Your request has been successfully submitted. You will soon receive a prompt for payment confirmation. So authorization payment of 28 cedis from your account to National Health Insurance Authority Service. So you enter the PIN to continue. So you will just enter the PIN to continue, and that is it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then it goes on.